never had it done to me. I didn't know anything about it. I just knew that I needed to be here. And walked in on day one and just felt like I was where I belonged. And as I'm a firefighter, 25 years in the fire service, and it's a different way of helping people. But the minute that I came in, I knew that I was with my people. And I knew that this was how I was going to help people. I still hadn't even done anything, hadn't even learned anything, hadn't put hands on people. But that first week of that first level 1, it started to become very clear to me how important this is going to be for me moving forward to be able to help people. Not only to be able to help my family with EDS and severe autoimmune disorders, but to help the first responders with PTSD, to be able to help the dysfunction from heavy gear and equipment, so many different ways to be able to help my community and my people with the fire service as well. And the thing that really excites me the most about it is it's also helping me. So my body is broken, I have a lot of issues with my own body, and this is a way that I truly can connect with people and help people in a manner that is helping my own body at the same time. I feel good doing it. At the end of the day, I have energy. My back doesn't kill, my shoulders don't hurt, my arms feel good, and I feel like I can do this all day long. And I just come away from this energized and excited to get out and do it again.